good evening friends! Maopay po nga gabi haton nga tanan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tulits Han Maslo. Yan po. Hindi po ako na Dolores Stern Samar. Nag-o-online natin amon mga trabaho na DepEd nga pagkadama. Pero ma-enjoy la. With me is my co-teacher, Ma'am Ivy. Nagtatrabaho ito niya mga trabahon kay finals ni Rabuas. Yes po. Teaching in Maslig National High School. And on my next side is Ma'am Joy, Sesesta of DNHS. Ang mga busy in Hirasobra. Ngan ayo na diya kinahayra naglilisang kay human na aktak trabaho.
Sana all!
Ginadam mo itag trabahon balita. But tonight, gusto ko na mag-recreate for a while. Kaya di talaga kayo mumurayaw, hindi kong kantaho. No? So na gabi magka-cover akin sa nga kanta which I believe everybody loves too. So tonight, anakon gamit yan, akon ani laptop, magma-1 kita. Dara ko ang speaker ni Ma'am Joylene. And of course, may dako gihapon microphone. Yes po. Sige po. So, ano tatong bubuhaton niya nga gabi? Yes po, yun nga gabi, kakantahon nato, igka-cover ko ang usa nga pinakamaupay nga kanta yan nga generation. The song is Someone You Loved by Luis Capaldi. No? Ang ganda-ganda po ng kantang ito. I fall in love with this song. This song is a song where a lot of people can relate to, as we sometimes take people for granted. Minsan may dataton kay kilala nga mga tao na abot ito naton kinabuhi nga aton lagin babariwara. Ang pahirap without realizing it. And then eventually it becomes too late to do anything about it. Yes, ida ta nare-realize itong ira importansya itong ira kaupay nga klaseng tao kung waray nahirap. No? When the relationship ends, we are left with nothing. And we begin to feel empty. Yes. Ginbibiling ta itong presensya itong nga tao kung kailan wara na hiya. And it's around the time that we start to dwell on all of the things we will actually miss about that person. Yes, yun nga ni adin ni Ma'am Joylene nag-iinorawn. O yun palangalong niya na-realize ang kahulugan ng kanta ngan hi Ma'am Ivy gusto niya memoryahon. Sige, ano man, start kita. Yes po. So let's start this over. I hope you'll enjoy and you can sing with me as well. Ano? Sige po. I'm going under and this time I fear there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb to the pain. Now the day bleeds into the nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me sleep. Now the day bleeds into the nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled around. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around. For now the table into the nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled a rug. I was getting used to being someone you love, but now the devil leads into the night falls, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled a rug. I was getting used to being someone you love, to let my guard down, and then you pulled a rug. I was getting used to being someone you loved. Thank you so much! Ayan, sa'yo pa kayo giupay. Adi nag-oraw na yung Ma'am Joylen! Ma'am Joy! Ay, Ma'am Ivy, grabe. Nagpinangarug-grug na yan. Hagot. Balik po. Sige, thank you po. Watch my next vlogs later. Ayan po. Adi po kami, Barangay Tracy. Wapay gabi yung tanan. Like ang pag-subscribe ito na akong channel. Tolit San Maslog. Good evening po. Thank you. God bless.